Good morning all of you. Myself Pankaj Deshmukh and we are going to start today, that is introduction to HTML. You know that web technology is now leading platform today, and web technology together contains the tools which are tools and features or tools and techniques which are used to create the full-flex websites and web applications. For creating the websites or web applications, the major content you learn or you may know is the HTML. What is HTML? HTML is nothing but the hypertext markup language. It is a HTML recommendation and it is used to create the web pages. Web pages is generally of two types, that is are static and dynamic. First of all, we know what do we mean by the website. Website is nothing but the collection of different web pages. What do you mean by the web pages? Web pages is nothing but the collection of data or document, or the pages which are displayed or contained in a website is called as the web pages. Web pages contain different contents and data. When that data is displayed on the website, it is called as web page. Web page is created or designed by using the hypertext markup language. The static and dynamic are the two types of web pages. Static web pages are nothing but the web pages which contents are not changed until anyone can change it, and dynamic web pages are the web pages that content is dynamically changed according to the application and editing. Then hypertext markup language is the only one language which is used to create the web pages. Then what are the features of the HTML? HTML has number of features. One of the most important feature of the HTML is the easy and simple. It is very easy and simple language to learn as compared to other programming language. It is a markup language. It contains the tags and the rules for creating the web pages. It is again one of the most important feature of the HTML is it is a platform independent. You can create the HTML pages on any platform, whether it may be the Linux operating system, whether it may be the Windows operating system or other operating system. There is no any change will be made within the code. The same code will be executed on any operating system. Next is the next feature is it is very attractive and the interactive. Attractive, you can use the number of graphics tools, graphics, videos and other interactive things, that is the MP3 videos or animations, all are very attractively included within your web pages. It will be also used to create the effective presentation of your data. HTML's whole purpose or the main purpose of the HTML is to how to display the data, and you can use number of features to interactively or effectively display your data. It is a scripting language, one of the feature of the HTML. You can store the HTML file by using .htm or .html extension. This is the feature that you can get from the HTML. What you see is what you get. It is one of the feature followed by the HTML. And one of important feature of the HTML, any editor you can use for creating the HTML file. For example, Notepad or any other editor, simple editor is used for creating the HTML file, and there is no any extra software is used for executing the HTML file. Any browser installed in your computer is used to execute the HTML file. Next, what is actually the HTML page structure? HTML page structure contains this structure. First of all, first content of the HTML page is the DOC type declaration. This DOC type declaration tells your browser which type of file is to be executed on your browser. Then next is the HTML structure. HTML structure contains the HTML header section and the HTML body section. HTML body section actually contains the body displayed or the web page displayed on your screen. This document type tells the browser that next incoming file is of HTML type. Then HTML contain itself the header and the body section. Header section contain the title, or other scripting information related to your web page, and the body contain the actual data which will be displayed on your screen of your web page.